The number one question we get asked at ApplyBoard is, how do I apply? So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up your own student profile and use the ApplyBoard website to apply. First, head to applyboard.com and select Login. If you don't have an account, scroll down to Register as a Student and set up your profile. Here, you can sign up with Facebook or Google, or simply sign up with your email address. Be sure to create a super secure password, select your nationality, and input your phone number. When you're ready, have a look at the terms and conditions, check off that you have agreed to them, and select Create Account. A message with a confirmation link will be sent to your email address. Follow the link to officially activate your account. Once you're logged in, go to My Profile and start filling out the details like your general information, education history, schools you attended, and background information. Click on Programs and Schools to start exploring by use of program filters and school filters. School filters will allow you to choose options like country, province or state, university or college, and any specific school that you might be interested in. For program filters, choose a program level like bachelor's degree, diploma, or master's degree, intakes and discipline, or field of study that you want to apply for. Lastly, click on Apply Filters to view the search. It's always a good idea to do a broader search so that you see more schools and program options. Just click on the name of the program to view all the information and hit Apply Now to add the program to your cart. The ApplyBoard portal is a one-stop shop where you can shortlist and apply to at least 10 programs and schools in one go. Our ApplyBoard team is always here to guide you during the entire process and throughout your international education journey. If you have questions at any time, you can utilize the chat function on your application or simply reach out to our experts by emailing studentsupport@applyboard.com. Thanks for watching and happy applying!